Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Debbie here. If you're new here, then thank you very much for joining me today. I hope you enjoy what you see and consider hitting the subscribe button so that you can come back for more videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you here. And I am doing a plan with me in my classic sized happy planner. And this is for some post-it notes are falling out of my planner. This is for the week of March the 9th to the 15th. So I'm done with winter. I think I've said that before. I'm just tidying up a little spot on my desk here. I'm going to pull these pages out. I got kind of busy this past week and ended up having to put an extra note sheet in my planner to keep track of everything. So if you're looking for inspiration on how to decorate your planner on the cheap, because I try to do it as cheaply as possible every single week, I like utilizing scrapbooking papers that I've picked up on sale, bits and pieces of papers that I collect, stickers, Dollar Tree items, as much stuff like that. So this kind of striped paper that I like, and I've taken a scrap of bright yellow and I've put one of these post-it notes on it and just wrote "Hello Spring." A few of last week's bits and pieces that are left over, I'm going to utilize those, and a few odds and ends of leftover stickers. So let's see what I can put together. So the purple is fine up at the top here, but I want to cover this whole page right here. And I'm going to cover it in this. This is a really thin paper. I guess tape would help. Whiteout's not going to help me stick it down. But this is a really thin paper. So it's great for using in my planner because it's not going to add a ton of bulk. And I can add it to the whole page. So I'm going to start right at the top. I need a new blade in my paper trimmer. I'm getting a few rough edges, I see. I think I'm going to turn this right upside down. I'm pulling a little bit of the backing off of this paper. This isn't very expensive paper. It's kind of cheap, actually. So I think there was like 300 pages of scrapbooking paper, and it was very cheap. It was one of the first paper pads that I ever bought. And of course, when you first start, you buy something that's cheap and you're going to get lots of quantity, but there's so much variety in the colors in this paper pad as well. It's a great big thick one, and I can't even remember where I got it because it was that long ago. So I'm going to take these two strips. These are 1.5 inches wide, just in case you're wondering, and I am going to add this one right down here. And I'm going to take the long one and put it down that side of the page. I've realized that I don't need to put solid tape on every single piece of paper that I put down in my planner. It doesn't get abused, and I have no trouble at all keeping the pages flat. I mean, it's not like these are going to fall out. So this one, I'm going to put it up here, but I'm going to leave it so that the other paper borders it. I know it's not spring until it's almost 2 weeks away, but I can't wait. I absolutely can't wait. So I'm going to put this right there, just like that. I don't think I have very much tape left on this roll, but I also have some more of these. These are those Post-it notes that came. I guess they're not Post-it notes. They're just sticky notes. But these are the ones that came in that really cute little set of Sticky Club stickers that I got. So I'm going to use this because it has such a fine little tip point on it. And I want all these little points to stick down. And I'm going to put a couple more of these daisies around on the other page. There. I think I'm going to put it, where am I going to put them? Maybe I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to, I shouldn't have glued it all. I should have cut it in half first. But I can make this work. So I can cut this. Oop. There. I'm going to put that one there. And this one here. There. That's pretty. I'm liking that. And I think I'm going to take another half, or maybe even a little bit more than half. And I didn't get that very straight. Let's see. There. And I'm going to put it, I'm going to use this glue because of all these little points. I'm going to put it right up here. There, perfect. I like that. Okay. Now I need, maybe what I'll do is take this to-do list and I'm just going to put it at the top of this page right here, and I am going to take that point off so it's not an arrow there. So I'm going to do this just like that. So I have this, and I can just write down that. And this paper isn't shiny or anything like that, so that'll be fine. I already like this. Like, I mean, I could potentially be done. I know that next week I've got a lot of filming to do. I've got some swaps to take care of. So let's just see. Do I have one of these things that says errands? I don't. That would have been nice. Huh. Anyway, okay, so I don't think there's a whole bunch off of here that I want to use. I think what I will do is put these flags over here like this. down Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Because if I don't work one day, I can just cancel it. Because Monday, Wednesday, and Friday is typically my days I'm supposed to work. So I've got those down there. And I think I'm going to use these kind of like a bullet point on this side of the page. And I am just going to make a list of my swaps that I have to do this week. So I think that's what I'll do. I'm just going to do it like this. So I do paper crafting. If you're new here, I do a lot of paper crafting, and I do a lot of paper crafting swaps. So to keep track of them, I've been listing my swaps here, the things that I have to do for the week, and if it doesn't get done, I can just move it ahead to the next week. So that's pretty much everything that's on this sheet that I want to use up. And yeah, I think that's pretty close to being it. I like this little tiny sticker that says Hello Sunshine, and I'm just going to put that right there because the sun did shine this week, and it's supposed to be nice for the bigger part of next week as well. I have stickers from everywhere. I have no idea where all of my stickers come from. People just give them to me sometimes when I, if they don't use them. So I really like this little love as well. So I'm going to see if that'll come off of there. And I just want to put it right here because I think it's pretty. I'm just trying to make this spread bright, and the reason I went with the purple was so that I didn't have to cover this up, and yellow and purple goes together. It goes together well, actually. I'm just going to put this little arrow up here, and I have this little color splash of paint that can just go down here. I think it's cute. Throw a little star around. I've got the other arrow. And this other star, I think, right there. That's it from there. All I'm going to use. Oh, those would be pretty on here. So, does anybody remember when I hauled these only not that long ago, just a couple weeks back, from Dollar Tree? Well, there are, these are die cuts. But to me, maybe not to everybody, but to me, Pussy Willows are almost certainly Pussy Willows are the thing that says spring to me more than anything else. These are really pretty. This die cut too. So yeah, I think I'm going to use it. I'm going to do that. And then so that it doesn't slide all over the place while it's drying, I'm just going to anchor it in one spot in the middle. I'm going to just do that right up the middle of that page. Isn't that pretty? There. So this is my spring thing, I guess. I kind of like that there now better than those. I wonder if I can get these stickers up without taking up. Oh, these don't have enough sticky on them to, those are those little stickers that somebody gave me. There's not enough sticky on them to worry about having to take them back up again. But this one definitely is going to go here. Because I like it way better. There. So purple and yellow. How nice is this going to look with black? I'm going to use a black pen. And okay, I don't see anything else in here. A little one of these. I may as well, there's only the big one and the little one in there, so I may as well use both of them because there. Okay. I'm liking this. So the only thing that I know that I can put down I'm just looking for, I'm not sure which black pen I want to use. I'd like to use this one. Yes, this one. Always check it first. So I'll fill those in. So hopefully none of my work days will get canceled, but I have so much to do at home right now that I don't care if they do get canceled. And I have no appointments this week, but I do have The Walking Dead on Sunday now. And on Wednesday, but we PVR it and don't watch it till Saturday, is I'm going to put it in on Wednesday, is Survivor and BB Canada. So BB Can. My husband and I both like watching these together. So that, my whole chore list can go here. My swaps can go here. And I've got lots of room to write. So I'm not going to dwell on this for a long time. I just don't have the information to fill it in. I'm doing this a couple of days early from when I usually do it. I have time right now, so that's why I'm doing it. And yeah, so that's it. That's a pretty simple spread. It's just a few stickers and some paper, and it just transformed this whole week into something light and airy and pretty, and ooh, I like this. I absolutely. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share if you know anybody that's just starting out in planning and looking for a way to maybe decorate their planner on the cheap, because I like to save money. I don't like to spend very much to do this. And yeah, if you're not a subscriber and you would like to come back and see some more, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I will see you all next week. And until then, happy planning. Bye-bye for now.